okay. Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna eat my lunch, and this is what Bae got for me, which I love. It's pupusas, and this is cheese, and then I have bean and cheese, and then I have the ensalada, and then I have the hot sauce here, and this is the sauce for the ensalada, and I have horchata, and I got me some papas fritas, and I got some french fries here, which I've been eating. So this is what I'm gonna have for my lunch. And I guess I wanted this to be like a mukbang, but I really don't feel like going to get the whole thing and setting up the camera and all that. So this is what it's looking like. All right, so I don't know how everybody else eats them, but this is what I do. I first got introduced to pupusas in LA, and my ex-boyfriend, he was El Salvadorian, and his mom used to make these, and I used to go to this place in LA. I wonder if they still have it. But anyway, I put the sauce in the ensalada, and I just kind of shake it, and I just grab some. Yes, with my fingers, and then I just rip off some, and it's super cheesy and gooey, and I eat it like that. And I'm gonna use this sauce, but if this sauce is not hot enough, then I'm gonna use my tapatio. But anyway, I'm gonna finish eating. Oh, and the horchata is like rice water, milk with cinnamon inside. I think cinnamon and nutmeg. It's so good. It's so good. And I just feel like a little sleepy. Like after this, I'm definitely gonna be like a baby and take a nap, and then get up, and then should I go to the gym or go to the beach? One of the two, you'll see. So I woke up early today, but I just lounged, and then I had like a cup of juice, and I really didn't feel like eating. Then I talked to my boo, did some weekly planning, and I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do for tomorrow. Anyway, I'm cooking my vegan hash from the food that we got from Whole Foods. My blueberry waffles are in the oven, and my green tea is done. So I'm just gonna finish letting the potatoes get soft, and then I'm gonna plate up. I'll see y'all at the table. So this is what I'm gonna have for my snacks. It's some organic cherries, tangerine, and these are almond butter pretzel nuggets. And I'm gonna finish watching Selling Tampa, and then I'm gonna take a nap.
I'm one of the first agents under Allure. I'm an OG, so
All right, so it's the 4th of July, and Babe is on his way. Me and him are not really into celebrating holidays like that, like our birthdays, like special days of me and him, and like, I don't know, like family days, our puppy's birthday. But like, I'm not really into celebrating holidays, but since I literally live like in a beachfront property and they're gonna have fireworks and I've been hearing them like all day. So these are the fries from Whole Foods, and this is plant-based chicken buffalo wings and the sauce. The oven's on 450. I'm gonna pop these in the oven, then I'm gonna make us a yummy salad. I'll be back. All right, so that's the sound of my dishwasher. Babe's here. This is how the vegan buffalo chicken came out. These are the fries, and I'm just gonna squeeze some of the buffalo sauce all over them. Maybe that's easier like this. Oh shit. Now, let me mix it all up. I'm gonna mix it up, add the rest, and come back. All right, so this is how it came out. And I put some organic blue cheese dressing on the vegan chicken, buffalo chickens, because they're not wings, but they're chickens if you get it. My fries, I'm gonna leave them plain. Put this organic raspberry vinaigrette, and Babe is having organic Thousand Island dressing. I'm gonna tell you how these taste. This is my first time having these. So, and we're having some organic mango lemonade. So we're gonna enjoy this and enjoy our night. Yeah.
Well, I like this though.
It's beautiful, right? I'm with Callie. We at the beach. Beautiful sunset. The waves are crashing. It's so peaceful, so serene. Look at the lovebirds. How beautiful.
Bobbing and relaxing, just watching.
Look at the fireworks. They're right there. You see them? Beautiful. And they're also over there. Alright, so I'm back inside. I just got out of the shower and I'm gonna eat me some of these chips from Whole Foods, and I mixed the two juices together of mango lemonade and strawberry lemonade, and I'm gonna watch a show and then I'm gonna knock out. See you tomorrow. Alright, so I'm still editing my video, but I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna make myself some spaghetti. So I'm gonna get the noodles and put them in the pot and I'll be back. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. I'm going to put the timer on and finish editing this video. So yeah, so I decided that I'm gonna use the 360 Whole Foods organic tomato basil, and I'm gonna use the rest of these plant-based ground beef. and I'm gonna pour it in there and I'll be back. All right, so I'm just gonna leave it off, but the stove is still hot, and I'm just gonna cover it because it's vegan meat, so I'm gonna cover it for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna plate it up with some salad and then eat. All right, so I am super hungry because all I ate today was the peanut butter bowl and had some water and tea. So I'm gonna add some crushed red pepper to my spaghetti. I added Parmesan cheese. and I'm gonna add blue cheese dressing to my salad. I'm gonna have San Pellegrino, and I'm gonna put it in a wine glass because, girl, I deserve it. So this is what it's looking like for tonight's dinner. So good. So I'm literally pissed that I'm really frustrated with my video and the process of downloading, storage, and all that is making me frustrated. So I went and made myself some Late July and Urban Roots pineapple mango salsa, and I'm just gonna drink this with this water, and hopefully everything will work out. But if not, tomorrow's the next day because I don't stress. I give it, let go, and let God, and positive thoughts. And when something is not working, sometimes it's for a reason. So yeah. OMG, I am in love with these new Amazon bodysuits by Violetmediallc. Girl, let me show you. Hold on one second. So Bae is downstairs, and this is my outfit of the day. I have on these activewear shorts from TRYON. These fluffy shoes are from Ego, or you want to say Ego. I have these glasses on from Van Leeker, and I have my Emilio Pucci bag. I just feel such like a Barbie. Shout out to Nicki Minaj because she and her song said, Jazzy Stacy. Yep, Jazzilulu. Thank you for watching. See ya later. This is what I'm eating for my late night snack. After I went to the store, I had to do the video for Drape Fit. Then I was feeling tired and I took a nap, and then I got up, I cleaned up. I didn't film that, no. And then I made the salad. Look how good it looks. OMG. I'm gonna bust this down and finish watching Cruella.
Hey, crazy girl. Hey, loca.
So me and Bae are going to a 1-year-old's birthday party today, and this is my outfit. These shoes are from Ego. This bag is from Marc Jacobs, and yeah, we out.
3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear dear. Happy birthday to you.
You are not in it. You are not with it.
If you don't know what you want to do, you gotta decide soon. And these were also from baby Amir's party. This cool cup with my favorite color is purple straw, squiggly straw with like a fairy on the straw with purple hair. Snacks with baby Amir's name on it and water with his name on it. I had so much fun. And Amir's mommy's birthday was the day after. Happy birthday, Stephanie.